Talk that. Arguing with this fucking cluck.
Arguing with my J cause he keep rushing me.
Slow the fuck down.
Told you I was coming to you ASAP.
Fast as I can.
cloud full of white people that love buying speed. Watch me pop out all this ice on me and I got your bitch eyeing me. It ain't no iron team, but everybody wanna be the man. But everybody ain't got discipline. If that position was for you, then you would have it, nigga. I was inside my cell sleep, dreaming about trapping, nigga. Inside my cell sleep, dreaming about trapping, nigga. I'm actually one that actually lived it. I actually did it. Funny niggas tryna knock me off my pivot. Versace's on my feet, pockets fat like Biggie. But I ain't from Brooklyn, nigga. I got a lot of clientele from Southern niggas and old Brooklyn, nigga. One time for the cookers, nigga. 2 times for the juggers, nigga. I'm looking for the booger sugar victims. Good coke, soft and crystal looking. Watch her sniff it in the 20 or watch her snort it in the 50. This shit ain't funny, nigga. Watch her make a cocaine funnel out of money, nigga. Monetized, I fell victim to the money, nigga. Plays pull up on the block, remember we was running to.
We was racing to him.
Pull up on the block, remember we was running to.
We was racing.
This that drug runner music.
Runner music.
Street level drug traffic and drug runner music. Man broke by a brick, hit the strip, did it gone, buy more dope, nigga. Hey, man broke by a brick, hit the strip, get it gone, get your phone and buy another phone. I missed to make that fucking cocaine clone, bitch. I missed to make that fucking dog food clone, bitch. I missed to got a slapping dog phone, bitch. I missed to get a fucking. We out.